Hello, a warm welcome to you all. I am Pasan Wijesuriya, student ID 303-94744, and today I'll be presenting how I have successfully demonstrated the five Fed Uni graduate attributes in the master's project, which is a very interesting mobile app called Throw It Away application. But first, let me introduce the five Fed Uni graduate attributes as mentioned in the Borden J generic capabilities of university graduates, which is thinkers, innovators, citizens, communicators, and leaders. And in Federation University, it is considered the qualities, talents, and the understanding that the university community believes its students should acquire while attending the college. The academic competence or technical knowledge that has served as the foundation of the most university courses is included in these qualities, but they also go beyond them. Additionally, they help graduates become agents of societal change in an unknowable future. Because of these attributes, in other words, they provide a framework and a sense of direction for university students in the development of their discipline, knowledge, and skill according to the university expectations. Now, let's talk about our final project, so you can have an idea about how we grew with FedUni in a real-world scenario market ready. To make sure your family or circle of housemates are safe, it is necessary to properly and promptly dispose out of medication. The most practical solution to address the issue might be to have complete visibility and control of your medication cabinet assisted by mobile technologies. Through features like user collaboration, alerts, tax tracking, and analysis and reporting, our project, Throw It Away, aims to create a solution that assists families or members of the same household in properly managing medication and food items which are expiring in their relevant areas. So expiry dates within this scope, here is how I was able to develop my attributes, and now I will walk you through each attribute that is consistent with the development of the project uh, as a team lead as well. So let's dive into it. So as a thinker, I feel I was able to contribute to the informal brainstorming sessions by offering fresh ideas, improvements, and helpful criticism on the solutions offered by the other team members, as well as by considering the project's technical viability. Given my role as the lead developer, this procedure requires a significant amount of reflection, curiosity, and critical thinking in the form of thinking to prepare for both the literature research and the competitor analysis of other commercial apps. I was able to apply my thinking skills to analyze of relevant works, to analyze the sources, identify issues or themes that are common throughout the literature, and determine what is lacking from the literature. In-depth study, critical thinking, and reflection on the literature were necessary. um, are there any areas that required improvement, and how do the results apply to my project? This allowed me to provide insightful observations and contribute to the development of change-making solutions. Now, let's talk about how it is consistent and also matches as an inventor. So as an inventor, the goal is to have ideas that inspire positive change by thinking and acting creatively. The concept of the application is to convert the traditional process of keeping records of medicine and expiry dates into a mobile application. As the lead developer or the software architecture designer, I had to come up with an innovative idea on how to implement these features finalized by the team in the form of mobile application without compromising the performance of the software. For example, based on the requirements, we had to think creatively about how we can integrate special features such as barcode scanning into the and also QR code to synchronize with the family members, and these features. Uh, how do we integrate into the platform, and not only one platform, both platforms, iOS and Android, which is why I have come up with a solution to use cross-platform technologies like Flutter for its integration capabilities and the convenience of using a single code base for multiple platforms. So I came across multiple instances require creativity, problem solving, experimenting with multiple solutions, prototyping creatively, etc. So this is how it was related as an inventor. Now let's talk about how it is as as a citizen. So as a citizen, I had to make sure that the development process was ethically aware. The application security was built on strict principles of handling users' data ethically to ensure it is not being exploited in any stage of SDLC. Ensuring application security for strong ethical reasons was done by enforcing server-side rules, strong token generation, using Firebase that's built on Google infrastructure management to ensure users' data security. I believe honesty and empathy in our assigned tasks shared between the team members helped us to better achieve our targets, as it built a medium of trust in our team. Now, let's talk about how it is applied as a communicator. Now, as a communicator, I had to demonstrate my capacity to successfully generate, share, transmit, and express knowledge and ideas and concepts in a way that was polite, inclusive, compassionate, and intelligible. Effective communication was maintained between the business analyst and me as the lead developer to make sure the client requirements are clearly understood and met, and get an understanding of the project progress. Also, I had to maintain communication with the tester to keep track of what test cases are not passed and fixed bugs and things like that. So performance optimization, scrum meeting, and stand-up calls, the whiteboarding were effective tools for us to share our ideas. So that's how it was carried out as a communicator. Now, let's talk about as a leader. So as a leader, especially during the development phase, I was focused on acting with integrity to foster sustainable and resilient practices to promote positive behaviors and aspire to make difference, helping fellow teammates by providing coaching, motivation, and guidance as the lead developer and the software architecture in this project. So to better deliver this project, delegated task was a fragment of leadership I undertook. And also the coaching I have provided for the teammates is also a small fragmentation of the leaders thinking as a leader. So this enabled our team to better tackle deadlocks and other risks associated with the development while being adaptable to the challenges that came across. Moreover, as a leader, I focus on the bigger scope of development, such as the project architect, to ensure the software development process is heading in the right direction. Not only thinking of the project, I always, as a leader, I always thought about the convenience of our teammates and their time allocations, and communication was a key as a leader. So this is how all the five graduate attributes helped me and to achieve a successful master's project. And as a FedUni student, throughout my studies, the support that has given by the Federation University was tremendous, and an amazing support has been given to me, as I have came across with the student support many times. And every time I am going through a little bit of major crisis levels, FedUni was a backbone to hold on. So so as a graduate as a final year student and the graduate, I would like all of you to follow these 5 attributes and become a better student. Thank you so much.